What is AS9100 certification and why is it important for aerospace manufacturing companies today? AS9100 is an international quality management standard specially designed for aerospace industry organizations worldwide. It is widely used in aviation, defense, and space-related manufacturing and service companies. This standard ensures product quality, safety, and reliability in all aerospace-related operations always. It helps companies improve their internal processes and maintain consistent quality in production activities. AS9100 focuses on risk management, helping organizations reduce errors and avoid costly operational mistakes. Proper documentation is required to define processes, responsibilities, and maintain complete system transparency always. Employee training is very important to ensure correct implementation of all defined processes effectively. Regular internal audits are conducted to check system performance and identify areas for improvement. This certification increases customer confidence and builds strong trust in your organization capabilities globally. It helps companies win more projects and expand business opportunities in aerospace sector easily. Many global customers require AS9100 certification to approve suppliers in their aerospace supply chain. However, implementing AS9100 requirements can be challenging without proper knowledge and expert guidance support. Companies often struggle with documentation, audits, and process alignment during certification preparation stages, so taking expert consulting support becomes very important for smooth and successful certification completion. We are DaSsk QMS, providing professional AS9100 certification consulting services for all aerospace companies. Our team supports you from initial gap analysis stage till final certification audit completion. Visit our website and start your ISO certification journey today. Contact us now. Thank you for watching.